Hey guys, this trick is going to earn you thousands on Facebook. I know you guys are willing to hear this particular news because this is a life-changing opportunity for those of you creators that are doing content on Facebook. Come closer if you don't know this thing. I'm going to be teaching you guys these particular tricks that have been helping creators to earn very quickly on Facebook. So if you're a new creator on Facebook, you don't know what to do, this trick is going to be helping you. We're going to be making use of AI to make you, so if you're somebody that you're easily run out of content, you don't know the particular content to be pasting on Facebook, you need to make sure that you stick into this video because we are going to be listing everything that is going to help you. So you guys, I'm not going to be keeping anything in this video because I just want to help new creators just like myself. So Facebook is a new opportunity for creators since it became eligible in Nigeria. A lot of people have been trying to just step into this and start using Facebook to cash out, to make thousands of dollars. So you guys, this is not a video to discourage anyone. This is not a video to like put your hopes very high, but it's a video to let you know that Facebook is really paying. And if you're somebody that have not been posting your videos, you're stuck in one particular social media app, you should try other social media app just like Facebook. So Facebook is just going to help you to earn lots of money. So we're going to be using AI for you to be able to get content to post. So if you're somebody that you don't want to show your face, you want to do a faceless content, this kind of content is going to help you. I don't know if you have come across pages that posts quotes and all of that as their main niche on Facebook. So if you're going to be going into the niche of posting quotes and all of that, AI is going to help you. Which AI are we going to be using in this particular video is ChatGPT. So I'm just going to be putting everything on the screenshots. I'm just going to be keeping a screenshot by the side so you guys can keep up. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT. All you have to do is that maybe let's say for instance you're going to be going into the topic of relationship, marriage and all of that. So you want to be dropping quotes on marriage, you want to be dropping quotes on relationship and all of that. So you want to make sure that you tell ChatGPT, give me a quote on marriage and relationship that will get people to start talking. Give us a relatable something that will make people to start talking. So you want to add your face to the particular image. So you want to know that this quote belongs to me. You don't want to see that somebody else's face is in there. So what you have to do after you have gotten those quotes from ChatGPT, all you have to do is get into Canva. So we're using AI and we're using Canva in this particular method of making thousands using Facebook. So you want to make sure you go into Canva. You're going to, once you get into Canva and you're going to search for tweets. Once you click on tweets, you're going to see different designs of tweets of people. You see people that are carrying this same quote and all of that. So all you have to do is click on the particular design that you love. Once you click on the particular design, you're going to touch it. I'm going to be leaving everything here so you guys can see. Once you touch it, it's going to bring you quotes of different people. So you're going to use the free version. Since you're a new creator, you can't afford to pay for the pro version. So you want to make sure that you're using the free version. So you're going to see the ones that are not carrying pro. Those ones that are not carrying pro, those ones are actually free. So you're just going to click on it, you're just going to edit it and all of that. I'm going to make sure that I leave everything by the side here so you can see. So you just click on the image, drop in your quote, replace the quote with your own. So once you do that, it is ready for you. So all you have to do is go into Facebook and post that quote all the time. People will be willing, people that are relating to that kind of content will keep engaging, and more engagement, more money. And also you have to post on your story every day. Post on your story, create photo posts, create reels. You can also create reels using those quotes that you have made. You can just appear with yourself like this and read out those quotes and see people engaging on your reels. This is a mind-blowing opportunity because a lot of people are using this opportunity to catch out, guys. So make sure that you're willing to put in this word that I just told you guys, because you're going to be amazed on the magic that is going to happen when you start posting. So you guys, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video, like, comment, subscribe to this channel because I'm bringing you more and more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again.